Life insurance is a financial safety net for you and your loved ones in the event that something happens to you unexpectedly. It pays out something known as a death benefit that can cover things such as funeral costs, debt, or even daily living expenses. Now, there are two primary types of insurance. The first is term insurance, which covers you for a specified term or period of time. And then there's whole life insurance, which covers you for your lifetime and builds a cash value. Now, the primary benefits of a term policy is that it's very low cost, so it's easy to get a large amount of coverage for a very affordable price. It's great for temporary needs such as covering a mortgage, raising children, or paying for college education. Now, on the other hand, the downside is that it only covers you for a specified term. Think 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And then once that time period passes, you no longer have life insurance coverage. On the flip side, you have whole life insurance as another option, which lasts for your lifetime. And like I mentioned, it builds a cash value. So the main benefits of this type of policy is that it provides you for lifetime coverage, and you can borrow against it, against the cash value, like a loan that you pay back to yourself. The main downside is that unlike term insurance, the premiums or the cost of the insurance is much, much higher, and the product can be a little bit more complex. So when you're thinking about insurance, it's important to consider how much coverage your family will need and for how long. It's important to review your policy regularly as you have big changes, whether it's marriage, divorce, having another child, maybe your kids have moved out and now your living expenses are much lower. That's a good time to review your policies. Now, I highly recommend working with a financial advisor or a life insurance agent to consider your needs for you and your family and to figure out what works best for you. So if you have any questions on figuring out what type of life insurance is best for you, please give us a call.